overachieve. I got a chance, just give me a piece. Shawty don't trust me, better than me. I'm in my city, I feel like I'm mean. She have a play, but we not in the beast. Now she a little bit, she's a E. Diamonds are flashy, I'm getting a C. I think I might be an overachiever. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna sick. Flashing on my model, sending me quick. Up for the wheel, I'm riding boat. Leaning my cup, I'ma turn it a hoe. I'm in my family, I'm not in my family. I'm a GT, I came from a camp. Triple my cup and I call it a stand. Half of the artists are trying to cam me. Look at all like that I gave to you. Look at all like that I gave to you. I was too busy with feeling you. See, there was on the ceiling. I had to focus on healing you.
So earlier today we did the Mk.3 Supra. It's amazing the way it pulls, the way it sounds, the paint job, everything is just beautiful. It's a very well-built car. We're gonna get back to him when he does a bit more tuning, and hopefully we'll be able to revisit the car in the future. I loved it. It was amazing to ride in. While we were at the show with the Mk.3, we met this guy with this MR2.
Air with ice, it made 780 on the dyno. That's clean as fuck, man.
And what turbo is that?
It's a GTX 3582. It's a 62 millimeter.
Yeah.
You never see water to air cooling on a turbo, but
It's
It works
efficient.
good.
yeah,
efficient.
definitely. It's definitely better than air to air.
And then ice is like awesome. It's just so consistent with ice. But
How long is it? How long is that ice last? Do you have to,
one pull.
That's it? That's all you
I mean, it'll keep it cold, but like you pour a whole bag of ice in there,
Yeah.
one pull, and it's all melted.
That makes sense.
The last thing I read.
I'm gonna give it a
Everything, intercooler stuff's all in the trunk here. Nothing crazy, just
big ice box.
yeah. And then I've got a heat exchanger mounted in the trunk with some fans. And
Nice.
water lines just running here.
Yeah. And what do you run for men?
K-Pro. Yeah, on data.
That's awesome. Those are very expensive seats.
What kind of PSI is it?
It was on about 20. Yeah, that's it. It's got a few songs.
I know eventually I'll make it easily. Woke up with father, now what's her living? Can't understand what you mean to me. All of this shit is a dream to me. All of this shit is a piece to me. Feel like it meant to be. I don't know what that meant to me. I think I might be an overachiever.
I'll probably just go up to 151.
Okay.
You
do whatever you want. I'm not gonna
Yeah, I'll actually go to Highway 51 out by the airport. That ain't far. Just less traffic.
I think I might be an overachiever. I got a chance to just give me a piece. I don't trust me, better than me. I'm in my city, I feel like I'm mean. She have a play, but we not in the beast. That's the little bit, she's a E. Diamonds are flashy, I'm getting a C. I think I might be an
thing. Turbo MR2, and now this tonight.
The girthy Porsche.
All in one night. It's like I don't think on video it does justice how absolutely crazy, like insane it is.
It's a bit of a Madland car. See, you know, there come times, you know, I like Porsches, but I put them in the far reaches of my mind because I can't afford them. This is one of the cars that I have to look at because it just grabs my eyeballs, and then I'm on Hemmings the next day looking for the worst 912 I can find. So,
just absolute, like,
Yeah, the slingshot.
like absolutely massive.
I don't want to divulge any of the.
Okay.
So it was built by a place called TurboCraft in, I think they're in Mesa, Arizona. And they do do 911, a lot of 911 builds, both air cooled and liquid cooled, and this is an air cooled build. It's based on an earlier tub. It's like 1969 tub.
Yeah.
It's got an 80s 930 motor that's built with like EFI and bigger valves, ported, honed out intake, and like 600 wheel horsepower. Weighs 2,300 pounds.
That usually does it. That usually does it.
It's super, like, yeah, so it's super light. It's got a G50 trans, which is a Weevil shifter, which shifts really nice. And full coilovers.
The way that this car sits is, it's awesome.
4-inch line wheel. My intercooler, my other intercooler mount is coming loose. Oh, one of the other ones.
Hell? I got a knife.
Sorry, that brought your fucking.
A lot of noise for
But the MR2 that we were just in is racing a C7. We're following them in the 540. We got the whole crew aboard. By the way, Supra was really cool.
Supra was cool.
Supra was really cool.
That was the appetizer.
Yeah, that was the appetizer for what's coming right now. So, I guess we're headed to the spots. So let's go.
We're back, Mr. Gear.
Yep. Adam and I are headed out for the night. Lots of cool stuff. Obviously the Porsche was cool, the MR2 was cool, and then the Mk.3 Supra, awesome. It was all awesome. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Picture Motors.
Man, I swear they always watching. I got eyes on my back.